ground yet. Here's what Stormcast has for us, and this is a lot. There's a lot going on here, a lot of moving parts, fluid situation, and it's going to be an interesting storm to monitor. Here's what Stormcast has. Snow already by 6 a.m. Monday for the western half of the state. Southwestern Nebraska starts to see that mixed precipitation, and there's a really good chance of some freezing rain potential out there. Now this looks like a rain-snow mix, changing to rain here, changing to snow here, and then snow continues for the northern half and western half of the state. This at any time could become a freezing rain possibility, and we do have some warnings in place, ice storm warnings for the northeastern corner of the state. Show you that here in a second. But that rain-snow mix possible, changing to rain, changing back to a rain-snow mix, and then snow further north, heavier snowfall for north central and western Nebraska. Eventually, it all changes over to just snow by about 6 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. And because this is going to take so long to change over to snow, the chance for accumulating snow is going to be minimal for eastern Nebraska, but central and northern Nebraska, a lot better chance. And then this all moves out of here by about 11 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. So lots going on, but I think less than a half an inch for much of south central and southeast Nebraska, but still a freezing rain and a mixed precipitation chance. 1 to 2, 2 to 4. Notice how quickly that changes to a lot of snow for western and north central and northeastern Nebraska. So that's just one part of the storm. Ice accumulation is another part. By about 4 o'clock in the afternoon Monday, we start to see kind of a swath here of ice accumulation possibilities, and it may even include up to 1/4 of an inch in some spots. And because of all of this area right here has the best chance. I know that model had it in many other areas, but right now the best chance for Monday afternoon into Tuesday is at northeastern Nebraska. Then the rest of the state of Nebraska from Omaha, Lincoln north does not include Lincoln and Omaha, but it's really close. That's where a winter weather advisory is, and then the winter storm warning for more ice, more snow, and then on the fringe here is where we're at, and that's less snow, less ice. So that's it in a nutshell. Hopefully you were able to keep up with all that. Tonight, temperatures dropping to around 30, mostly cloudy, mild, very quiet night. And then we're going to see things change as we head through the day tomorrow. A northeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour should start to pick up out of the northeast at 10 to 20. Temperatures don't really go very far. I think it'll be lower, middle, upper 30s, maybe some lower 40s. Rain likely, freezing rain possible, 37 degrees, that northeast wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Snow on Tuesday, and that may accumulate just a little bit, but less than an inch is expected in the Lincoln area, 34, and then 28 on Wednesday, 33 on Thursday, dry for the next several days, and then 40s many days after that, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and into next week. All of those temperatures above average. Again, we should be in the middle 30s, and we're going to be above that for much of the second half of the week into next weekend. But a pretty significant winter storm is going to be making its way across Nebraska over the next 24 to 36 hours. We'll be tracking it the whole time and have updates as